minutes of the game. Allan Caidic, the magical shot.
Martin to the offense to feed on the nice move. Yes.
Nice play for Allan Caidic.
Serves a second look. Look at that. Faked off 2 men. And he made that curl for the 2 points. Sufficiently close.
Here's Allan Caidic.
Whoa! Yes, sir! And the trigger man is down on the
Here we see
floor.
on the replay. See him coming around that pick, getting the screen and going up. Look, I got a finger in the eye. I don't want to. I was wrong.
Allan Caidic nakalusot na naman, yung ginawa pang reverse.
Pinahirap pa at tatlo ang dinaanan na defensive na. Sabi ni Allan, marami ka pang kakainin.
Game, Caidic pulls up quickly. Yes! Allan Caidic with the final set.
Dikit na dikit si Meneses. Allan Caidic pa rin. They've got 10. Caidic pumasok sa loob, maiksi. Tapikan, Caidic pa rin na nakakuha. One more time, yes! Yes! May kasama pang foul and what a call, what a shot! Si Caidic naman ngayon ang may pagkakataon para sa isang 3-point play.
Yan ang inbound ni Dignadice. Napunta kay Allan Caidic. Allan, pinasok si Allan Caidic. And San Miguel is on top. 96-95. 0.7 seconds remaining. We have another timeout.
Wisely ito si Allan Caidic. The veteran that he is. Direkta na kagad sa basket.
Steam forward, bridge to Caidic. It's on the run. It goes. A triple. He is perfect tonight. 4 of 4. And the timeout.
Allan Caidic. That's what he's on for. He's the trigger man.
Years, Allan Caidic displaying the versatility that has made him one of the biggest darlings of the basketball population of this country.
Allan didn't like that call, but he did foul player number 8. He tapped it over. Goes back, and we've got the first hit by Allan Caidic. Sama back to Caidic, a triple try. Two straight hits, 5 straight points by Allan Caidic. And it's Caidic again, another hit by Caidic from top of the basket of the Philippines. Allan Caidic fires. Go ahead. 44 to 43. Allan Caidic is open, and he fires it. Allan Caidic fires it. A lot of champions. Very well-oiled machine.
Point shootout this year. There's another whip in the pass cross court. Caidic responds again.
He goes back to the 3-point territory.
3-3. Look at Wes Matthews. Allan set up for the 3-point shot again. In again. Here comes Allan. Yes, sir. Got 11 already. They see that Allan Caidic is going for wide screen. There's enough time. Smilingly defended. Back to Caidic. What he has to do is first, there's another screen for him. That's Sugar. Caidic spinning to drive. All of a second point.
Hey Dick, maybe you want to play in the NBA, huh?
17 3-point shot. It's up, and we have cover underneath.
So they give technical fouls to those 2 players. Forgive me.
Allan for a 3. Yes!
Sorry Cabato sets up Caidic.
Yes! And Allan has a hot hand.
Playing this game, and I still look up, and I'm really surprised to see them up. But that's the reason why. Allan Caidic right there. That's 2 3-pointer. But there he takes a jump shot and buries it.
For dito sa quarter dito. Si Allan Caidic. Yun ang veterano. Yun ang dayo.
Pwede rin yun. Tsaka he's trying to avoid these fouls.
Ayan na naman siya.
Puro kulang. Hindi na tumalon yun, ha?
Pwede ba pag-aralan niya? Ang daming puntos. Ang daming assist ni Allan Caidic dito. Bibigay doon.
Allan Caidic being played here by Allan Caidic. The alumni golf tournament.
And the way things are going, mukhang galing na ang mga
Game, magandang pasa ni Allan Caidic and Nelson sa itono. Pero nagdiriwang na po yung mga...
3-point lead for the veterans. 1 second left. Just in time. I found you just in time.
Allan Caidic with the defense all over him.
What?
Alan Caidec, sabi ko nga, pag nakapag-umpisa ng maganda yan, ilang anak na lang po natin ang makakalaban ng Alaska Championship. Ito, si Alan Caidec.
Alan Caidec, let's go with 3. Yeah. Adil Jan is nowhere in sight. Alan Caidec sets for a 3. Yes.
Fundamentals of screening off for offensive rebound working, and Allan Caidic.
Tonight, they're really hustling.
Caidec gets the bucket.
And then he goes up and gets the foul. But that's part of basketball. It's the ball game.
Alan Caidec, naatrasan na naman si Meneses. Pumakit na, kinaliwa, tabla na naman. 1-1-1. 1-1-1 at sabi ni Coach
Contain Marquis Bragg. You notice that every time he gets the ball underneath, take a look at this play of Allan Caidic when he scooted in the baseline, moving away.
Talk about dexterity.
Yeah.
Miguel Pier.
Tama ka. Actually, si Boybis kaya lang pinasok for the possible 3-point shot. Si Alan taking charge.
Bola pa ng San Miguel. Alan Caidic against Francisco. Alan Caidic!
Ito, palit ng Kalusiyan. Nandun din sa grupong yan. Alan Caidec, escape act.
Situation.
Look at shot by Alan Caidec, yo-yoing that ball in midair. On top by just a point, 42-41. At ito pa ang go-ahead. Yes, this is.
Fighting off to Philip Cesar again, but he misses a layup this time. There is Kadik taking it back, and this time taking it all the way.
Alan Caidec.
Patience well. Here's another good pass. Look at the one that Kadik gives to Cuenco. Players who are showing good teamwork with each other.
Team foul picture shows the young Lions with 5 against 4 for the veterans. And that's going to be number 6 for the RSJ.
Ano siya, bumaksak sa 8. Alan Caidic buries a 3-point shot. The lead is down sa midpoint nitong fourth quarter. And Alan Caidic is 2 of 2 sa 3-point country dito sa fourth quarter.
The series of 9 after that big game number 6. The Triggerman is hot. Babawi talaga yan because that's Alan Caidic a bit just shy of the distance. But he liked that shot because it's going here. Dignatise, 10 on the shot clock. Triggerman finds a clearance.
We'll have our production executives check it out quickly.
Boy, great taste basketball.
5-second shot clock with San Miguel Beer. And Alan Caidec beating his man. Alan will shoot a 3-point shot.
Philippines.
Caidec for a 3. Yes!
Allan Caidic, his first attempt from 3-point range is out.
Meanwhile, Alan Caidec sets for a 3. Yes!
But still, games, it was decided that the former Soviet republics that made up will really compete.
A roster of only 9 players in this particular game as Caidec wears the hoop one more time. Fortunately, certainly time and again been able to stop Billy Martin.
Left here in this ballgame, 3-point shot by Caidec. He has 2. Caidec trying another 3-point shot. He's got 3. And he has 3 out of 3 from him. We also think of winning, but we want to enjoy our shots. Caidec has... Alan Caidec is against set up for the shot. Alan Caidec. Oh, he's got to get a 4-point play. Fouled by Dignatise there. He got him on the arm, but Alan was up in the air. So 24 for the North All-Stars. Oh. And Alan Caidec. Alan Caidec. One more.
Pasok na. Ano yun? Technical? Meron silang clarification. Ano yung kinaklarify nila? Anyway,